Welcome to this breath awareness meditation. Get comfortable in your seated position and let your hands gently rest on your lap. Let your body be in a relaxed but alert position. Gently close your eyes and bring your awareness inwards. Relax your shoulders and your face. Observe how you're breathing now, right now. Notice how the breath is flowing in your body as you inhale, and notice how it leaves your body as you exhale. The body is always breathing, but as we go on about our day, we don't notice this. Simply observe the breath as you inhale and observe the breath as you exhale. As you inhale, notice how your chest and belly expand. And as you exhale, notice how your chest and belly relax. Just observe the breath flowing in your body, energizing every part of your body. If thoughts come in, simply observe them, invite them, and then gently bring your attention back to your breath. The mind loves to plan and wanders off to new thoughts. That's just how the mind is. So, whenever the mind wanders off, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Observe how the fresh air enters your body as you inhale, and notice how, as you exhale, it relaxes your whole body. Notice the flow of the breath in and flow of the breath out. And remember, if the mind wanders off, simply notice the thought and redirect your attention back to your breath. Observing the breath as you inhale and observing the breath as you exhale. Notice how the breath is flowing in your body as you inhale, and notice how it leaves your body as you exhale. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. And whenever you feel complete, gently open your eyes. Welcome back. You can experience the breath only in the present moment. So, if you want to practice mindfulness, you can take a moment to simply observe your breath, and slowly you will develop a habit of being present and still.